Namaste everyone, welcome to this channel er.pedia. This is the second video of our series Simple to Advanced Excel VBA User Form. In today's video, we learn everything about the combo box. Combo box is the drop down list box which combines a text box with a list box. When you create a combo box, we always need to initialize them. There are different methods to initialize combo box. Here I will explain 4 methods, and among them the last 2 methods are more dynamic and we can easily edit them without seeing the code. And at the end I will also explain how to make the dependable combo box. You won't find such video on YouTube, so stay tuned with me. Now without any delay, let's get started. This is my Excel file. In the developer tab, Visual Basic, now insert the user form. Increase the size of this user form. Our first method to initialize the combo box is the AddItem method. So I'll first take the label. My first method is AddItem method. AddItem method. I'll increase this font size to be okay, and text alignment center. Now I'll take the combo box here. This is my combo box. Remember the name of the combo box, the combo box 1. Now double click on this user form. Now it will take us to our backend, the coding part, and here select the initialize, and in the initialize, now we are going to initialize our combo box 1 by using AddItem method. So type here me dot combo box 1 dot AddItem. Yes, AddItem equals, here I'll type here gender male and female. Yes, so now this is our code. This is the simple coding to add the item in the combo box. Here I will change the female. Now when you run this code, we have to, there is no need of equal to sign. Now you can see the combo box has been initialized. This is the first method of initializing the combo box by AddItem method, and this is one of the simplest method. Now another method is the list method. First I'll copy these 2 and I'll paste here. Now here this is my list method. Yes, so I'll change this caption as list method, and here this is my combo box 2. So double click on this, and here I have to type same these things, me dot combo box, and here me dot combo box 2 dot list, and we use here array to initialize the combo box. Array, here type, and always written in the double bracket, Ram Sam Hari, here Vishnu. Now run this code. Now you will see our combo box has been initialized. This is the first method of initializing the combo box. Now if you have to add furthermore items in these two methods, you have to go to the backend and add the items accordingly. So in order to create it more dynamic, we use the later two methods in order to initialize our combo box. Now our next method is name range method. First I will copy this and paste here. This is my name range method. Here I have to change the caption, name range method. This is the dynamic method. In order to create the dynamic combo box, we need to first make the dynamic name range with the formula offset and the count a functions together. In order to create the dynamic name range, we go to the Excel file first, and here in the sheet 1, the item which we want to insert in our combo box, we'll type here. First make a table of that combo box, and here I will type the gender. Yes, gender male and female. Male, female. This is my header. Now in order to create the name range, I have to go to the formula here and click this name manager and click on this new. Here type gender, and we are going to use the offset function. While creating the name range in offset functions, first we have to take the reference, and this is our reference. So and whether we want to change our row or not. Yes, we want to change our row, so we have to type 1, and we don't want to change our column, so type 0. And we use the count a functions for the height, count a, and select the range, and we'll select up to 15. Yes, and we don't want the header, this gender. Yes, and finally, and width is we don't want to change the column, so this one is our name range, and we keep the name as gender, gender. Yes, so now close this, and here in this part we have to give the row source. In the row source we have to type gender, and when you type the same name in the row source and run this file, now you will see how easily you can initialize your combo box. And if you add the value here, male, female, other gender, now you will see the magic here. Now when you run this file, now the other gender has been added. This is the dynamic method, and we don't have to go to our backend, and even we don't need to do the coding in this method. Now another method, we don't make our name range, but we apply the same method. We use the formula. We do some little bit of coding here and paste here. And my fourth method and the last method is the without name range. First I will change the caption here, without name range. Yes, here we won't create the name range, but we'll create the table or file in order to insert that value in the combo box. here I'll copy this first, or we'll make another column of class. We type here 1 2 and increase the size, and this one. Here's first I'll go towards my coding part here and double click on this, and this is my combo box, the combo box 4. So, and here I have to write with me dot, this one is my combo box 4. Yes, with me dot combo box 4, and here we use for loop. We use for n equals to, and n indicates here the row, and our data starts from the row 2. So here we type row 2 to where it goes up to the last row, and we use here seats. This one is my seat name, and my seat name is seat 1. Yes, seat 1 dot, and we create the range here, and my range is, and in which column my data exists, in the column B. So I'll take B. This one is my range. Now I use index of ind, yes, index of dot row. Here I forgot to give the parenthesis. Here I use AddItem method. AddItem sheet1 dot sales, and here my row index is n, and my column is B, and here I type the column B dot value. Yes, now next n, and I have to end this with statement, end with. This is our coding. Now when you run this code, you will see the magic. Run, and here how easily we can make our combo box. Yes, and if you add any items here, just 13 sag or something, if you add the item, and it will automatically add to our combo boxes. In the list of the combo box, you will see that item. This is how we can make our combo box dynamic in last two methods. Yes, in the name range method and without name range method, we using the coding. Yes, in these two methods, we can make our combo box more dynamic than in the first two method. In the first two method, we have to go to the backend and edit it and give the value, give the item name, add the item name. But in the last two method, we don't have to go to the backend, and from the Excel file, we can easily change, we can easily add the items in our combo box. Yes, now I move towards the last part of our video, that is the dependable combo box. In order to create the dependable combo box, first we will make the item list here, and here I will give the month. Yes, month Jan, February, this is my month, and here I type the day. Day is Sunday, Monday, and this one is up to Saturday, and this one is my year. I'll start my year from 2011, and then 2012. I will make these three column the dependable in the combo box. Here I have to dependable combo box. I will copy this two first and change the caption here, dependable combo box. And dependable combo box, I'll copy this to, yes. Now in the first combo box, in the combo box 5, I'll give the combo box item is month, day and year, these three items. So in order to take these three items, I use the method, last method, that is the without name range method, in order to initialize that combo box. So here I'll copy this combo box 5, yes, here combo box 5, and here my item is from the n value is from the 3 to 5. The n value changes from here 3 to 5. In add item sheet 1 cell, my row number is 1 and the column number changes n. Next and end with. When you run this code, now you will see month, day and year. When you click on this month, here I have to show the month. When you click on the day, here I have to show the day. Yes, in order to make two combo box dependable, I have to give the change event in this combo box 5. This is my combo boxes. In the combo box 5, double click on this combo box here. Now we have to give some coding here, and what we have to type here, first I'll take the variable dim I as integer. Here I equals, we have to use the match functions in order to match these three items. Yes, so type here I equals application dot worksheet functions here, and we use here worksheet functions dot match. We use the match functions here. Where do you want to match? Me dot combo box 5. Yes, with the value of combo box 5, that value here, give the comma, from where we want to match this combo box 5 value, from this sheet, sheet 1, from this sheet. Yes, from the sheet 1 we want to match. And what is our range value? Our range value is 1:1. So we want the column 1 only. Range value is this column total. This one is the column. we want to match this the header part, and close this, and here for 0 indicates that it will exactly, when it will exactly equals to that value, then it will allow us to take the data. And here we use the for functions for n equals to, and from n equals to 2 indicates the row number. Our data starts from the row 2, this one is 2, and our data start from the row number 2, so we take the row 2, and we use the similar count a functions here. First we have to application start, copy this, and here we use the count a function. So here count a, and we use the same sister sheet1, this one. From the sheet1 we are taking our data from the sheet1, yes, dot, and from which cell we want to take our data, from 1 to I, yes, from cell from which cell we are taking our data, from cell 2 to I, 2 to I, and we want our entire column, yes. Here we use the 1, we are taking the cells from starting, our cell start from the row 1, so we have to take that one, list separated or. Now close this parenthesis here. Now here me dot combo box 6 value, yes, 6 dot add item, this one is the sheet1 dot sales, from which cell we are taking our value, from n to I, dot value, then here type next I. Now run this code. Now see, when you click on this month here, add items, we have to, when you use the add item method, we don't use the equals to sign. Run this code. When you month, sorry, for not next time here, next n, we have to give the next n. Month, when you select the month, January, February, March, April, all things has been shown here. And when you select the day, you will see the data has not been, day has been seen in the Sunday, Monday. We have to clear our the previous data in order to make it work properly, yes. So double click on this here in combo box, clear. Now run this code. Now see, month, you will see this January, February, every month is showing here, and day, now see the, and year. Now it is working properly. This is how we can make our combo box dependable. This much in this video, and I have explained the different methods so that you can initialize the combo box easily and make the combo box dependable. And I think I have explained in a better way. And if you still have any problem, and if you have the VBA related to problems, then feel free to contact me. You can directly message on my Instagram, or you can drop the message on the comment box, so that I will know about it and try to make the video and make you understand the VBA in a fun way. So thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you will get notified with my latest uploaded video. Thank you everyone.